My favorite paintings are usually done in a quick and loose style. I love spontaneity, and the loose style is just so beautiful and captures an imperfect but more natural beauty. In that light, if you're not that experienced, it may seem like painting a detailed and elaborate composition should be daunting, but I find that nothing is further from the truth when you have an easy step-by-step process. Hi, I'm Chris, a former retail management professional turned full-time freelance artist and designer living in the desert. I love art and design, and I've been teaching creative classes here on Skillshare since 2016. I have courses on my own website, and I run a Watercolor membership to take students deeper. My specialty is demystifying processes into simple terms and helping students gain confidence in their own work, which I've done for a few thousand now. In this class, I aim to show you how easy a complicated subject matter can be when you take it slow and break it down to more simple terms. This time I'll be showing you how to paint sunflowers. They're fun to paint all year round, and even though it seems like a very simple subject matter at first, there's a fair bit amount of detail involved. I'll start by walking you through a rough sketch, then we'll begin painting layer by layer as we add the right colors, shadow and light, special effects, textures, and details along the way. I'll show you what watercolor supplies I'm using, how I use them, and share loads of painting tips with you throughout this entire class. Learning how to slow down and go deep with a more elaborate watercolor project like this one will build your skills, show you how to take a step back and slow down, and will give you so much confidence in tackling other more difficult subject matters later on. This class is for beginner to intermediate watercolor students who are looking for a challenge that isn't too overwhelming. I can't wait to show you that you can take on projects that might seem hard at first, then show you how to break them down into more manageable steps. Are you ready for it? Let's do this.